Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. The Mullvad Browser is a privacy-focused browser developed in partnership with the Tor project. It is designed specifically to maximize anonymity by blending the user into a crowd that is called anti-fingerprinting and is intended to be used with a reputable VPN, though it works without one. Crucially, Mullvad Browser is highly hardened by default, meaning you should avoid making unnecessary configuration changes, as doing so can actually make your browser fingerprint unique and less secure. Here's the updated guide to setting up and maximizing your privacy and security with the Mullvad browser. Let's start with this first part, which is full privacy setup, the essentials for it. The primary goal of the Mullvad browser is to provide the same strong anti-fingerprinting measures as the Tor browser, but using a standard internet connection or VPN instead of the Tor network. Let's start with installation and usage protocol here. The first step is to download. Just make sure that you always download the official package directly from the Mullvad website here, that is mullvad.net. The privacy rationale is that it ensures you receive the verified, untampered version and not malicious clone. We also have another step, which is VPN pairing, which I would recommend. Use Mullvad VPN here or another trustworthy VPN. The browser hides your unique fingerprint, but the VPN hides your unique IP address. Both are required for strong privacy. We also have another step, which is payment. If you're using Mullvad VPN, pay anonymously, that is cash or crypto, to remove the payment trail. This separates your financial identity from your browsing activity. Let's get to the second key thing, that is the core security configuration, which are the default settings. The browser is ready to go with these features enabled out of the box. Do not disable this. We have first anti-fingerprinting, that is Tor project code. The browser uses numerous modifications to make all Mullvad browser users look the same. This includes letterboxing. This is forced window size to prevent screen resolution from being a unique fingerprint identifier. Also, disabling high precision timers. This reduces the ability of sites to use timing attacks for fingerprinting. Another one is spoofed platform info. This presents a generic, standardized operating system and browser version. Another one is private browsing mode. The browser defaults to clearing all history, cookies, and cache at the end of every session, meaning no data is saved between uses. We also have pre-installed extensions. Only two extensions are included, which are essential and privacy tested. We have uBlock Origin, which blocks ads, trackers, and malware scripts, which is pre-configured. Another one is Mullvad Browser Extension, which checks for DNS or WebRTC leaks and provides connection status. Let's get now to the recommended security tweaks. While minimal changes are recommended, a few are necessary for maximum safety. We have changed default search engine first here. Just click on this menu button and go ahead and press on settings. Go to the search section. Under default search engine, select a privacy focused engine like DuckDuckGo or Brave Search, which are Mullvad's own letter search proxy, which has been sunsetted. Also, go ahead and enable HTTPS only mode. Click on the menu button again and select settings. Go to privacy and security. Scroll down to HTTPS only mode and select enable HTTPS only mode in all windows. Let's get now to the second part, that is security features deep dive. We have first WebRTC and DNS protection. For WebRTC, this protocol can leak your real IP address even when using a VPN. The Mullvad browser is configured to block WebRTC by default to mitigate this risk. We also have Mullvad browser extension check. Use the pre-installed extension to perform a connection check. It will tell you if your IP, DNS, or WebRTC are leaking, providing an instant security report. Let's also check on DNS settings. If you are connected to Mullvad VPN, it's generally best to let the VPN handle DNS. If you are not using Mullvad VPN, The extension will recommend you enable Mullvad DNS over HTTPS to prevent your ISP from seeing your lookups. Let's get to content blocking with uBlock Origin. The pre-installed uBlock Origin is one of the most effective blockers. To ensure maximum security, first, do not change the filter lists unless you are an advanced user. The default lists are carefully curated to balance privacy and site functionality. Also, do not install other content blockers or privacy extensions. Adding any non-standard extension will create a unique fingerprint, defeating the purpose of the browser. Let's get to the third part, that is maintaining anonymity. The main rule for the Mullvad browser is consistency. First, do not change settings. Resist the urge to dive into the About config menu or change advanced settings. Every change you make differentiates your browser from the crowd. Also, key tip is to use the new identity button. The toolbar features an icon that allows you to instantly clear your session data, cookies, and close tabs to start a new clean browsing session. Another final tip is to avoid logging in. The act of logging into services like Google, Amazon, or Facebook ties your anonymous browsing session back to your personal identity, negating most of the anonymity benefits. Use the Mullvad browser for research and general browsing, and use a separate, less hardened browser for logged in personal tasks. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.